In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of your eyes inside of Adobe Photoshop. So let's get into it. Once we've opened up Adobe Photoshop and we have the image imported that we want to do this effect on, we want to go ahead and zoom into one of the eyeballs. Now once we've done that, we want to go over to the tab on the left and go up to the lasso tool option, and we'll drag this down to the polygonal lasso tool. Now from here we want to select our background layer on the right and go into the image and draw a mask around our eye. Now from here we want to go over to the tab on the right, and in the bottom right corner you'll see these icons. Select the circle icon and then go up to hue/saturation. This will load up a tab, and inside of the properties tab you want to go down to colorize, select colorize, and now from here you're free to change the hue, the saturation and the lightness of the selected layer. So if you didn't do a very good job of the masking process and your mask bled over into the white parts of your eye, we can go into the erase tool and we can just go around the eyeball and just make sure to clean up this section. And as soon as you've cleaned this up, all that you need to do is just change the color of the other eye and you're done. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I will see you tomorrow for another brand new video. See you there.